Good morning. So today I am going to discuss about the AI health. Okay. So during this tutorial, last tutorial, basically we and me launched the or deploy the EC2 instance. Okay, using cloud formation. Okay, through a script. So today basically I discuss one package of Amazon, that is Amazon Q. Basically currently the free for a free tire. If your account belong to the free tire, then the Amazon QR free. Okay. So first of all, we need to go right side top. Okay. And this is a Amazon Q symbol. When you click on it, then a section, a sidebar open, or this is a basically Amazon Q of Amazon. Amazon Q. Basically AI help for the developer or a person that uses AWS. Basically, it is one of the good steps taken by the AWS. So we do not need to visit other AI help like ChatGPT, DeepSeek AI during working on AWS. So you simply copy your error or copy your error and paste here and take help. Okay. So first of all, just like we didn't know how to create a key pair. Okay. So uh, right here, how to create a key pair. Okay, ठीक है ना? देख listen. Okay. You first of all you need to switch to uh, new resource thing, new chat. Okay, chatting about your resource. Okay, so just like yeah. Okay, so how to create key pair? Give me steps. Steps. Okay, wait for some time. Okay, the AI generate the response. Hmm. Okay. Network. Okay. EPR are used for the securely connect to your EC2 instance. Okay. All the AWS interview questions, theoretical or मतलब scripting, all are solved by this Amazon. Okay. This is very helpful for the DevOps engineer or a cloud engineer that uses AWS service. Okay, na? So this is okay. Navigate to the key pair in the EC2 dashboard. Look for the network security here. Network security. Okay. Network security. Okay. Hmm. Section in the left navigation. A key on the key pair, just like a this is a key pair. Okay. Key pair. Initiate key pair creation. Configure key pair setting. Okay. Dot .pm for OpenSSH. Dot .ppk for the PuTTY. Okay. Optionally it add tag के लिए basically this is a naming section. Okay, tag. So when you put tag in during the creation of the key pair, then we we basically give the name of the project. Basically it is for identification purpose. Okay, so this key pair belong to the that project. Okay, basically identification purpose and naming purpose. Okay, set appropriate permission for Linux and Mac OS. Okay. Verify key pair creation. Okay. This is a very simple thing how to create key pair. Okay. So just like we also know about how to create a security group, what is the meaning of the port 22, what is the meaning of port 80. We also know about what is the port number of the HTTP, just like C. Okay. What is a port number of HTTP? Okay. It's like basically a basic, a very helpful tool for me. I use very much time when I dealing with AWS. Okay, various service. Okay, so this is a right driving knowledge. Okay, the standard port number HTTP hypertext transfer protocol is AT. Okay, so this is a very useful tool. Okay, though it also in context of service, it also provides some additional service. Okay, default configuration in many AWS such as Amazon EC2 and elastic load balancing port at T is often used to default port for HTTP traffic, just like HTTP port number is 80. He also adds some additional information, okay, that should be used in this study or in this project, okay. Redirection in many cases port 80 is used in conjunction with port 443, okay, okay. HTTPS to redirect non-secure traffic to secure traffic. If this is basically a good information when we working on just like secure, when you want to secure your website, then we need to add SSL certificate in your website. So when you add your SSL certificate, and that is basically generated in AWS free uh, um, as well money charge. Okay, so when you add this SSL certificate, then your HTTP become HTTPS. Okay, and this port number is changed for to 443. Okay, so this is basically a port number. Everything we put and get answer. So here I want to basically purpose of this lecture to generate cloud formation code to deploy AWS EC2 AWS. Okay, so I am going to write this prompt. Okay, uh, uh, write uh, code to deploy to deploy EC2 instance EC2 instance that use existing existing um, God's key. Okay, and create security group or allow port 22 for SSH. All this code written in cloud formation. Okay, cloud formation. Basically, one thing I'm going to know recently, when I create a basically a simple uh, instance, then by manually, okay, using GUI, okay, when I try to say about its code, then surprisingly, it code written in a cloud formation. I'm going to show you after this, okay. So originally, when you create any instance, then in background ISE infrastructure as a code in ISE, all things happen in a cloud formation. Okay, all things written in the cloud formation or scripted in a cloud formation. So this is a very important thing about this. So I'm going to know about it. See, this is a basically give me code. Okay, this uses God key that is already present here. Let's see this. Oh, sorry, I'm lost that chat. Okay, so I I'm not. Yes. This is already here. Okay. This is a use God's key. Okay. Resource EC2 security group also allow it to inbound rule. Okay. EC2 instance using T2 micro create. Okay. Also use if you want to change your AMI ID, then we need to go this launch instance, copy the AMI ID of particular OS AMI. Okay. and put here and said write a prompt, replace previous AMI ID with this, or you manually copy paste that. Okay, this is basically a full. Okay, so I'm going to one more thing about this. Okay, so when you manually launch, okay, see this. When you manually launch the instance like this, I'm already launched this. I'm going to in okay, no, instance state start. I'm going to show you one thing. Okay, okay. One second. Start instance. I think there is an issue to instance. Okay, no problem. No problem. I want to create new one. Okay, just like a launch instance. Launch instance. Okay, test. Okay, this I am using Amazon AMI, or only I use key pair. I'm only for showing purpose. Okay, and I'm not going to add any security group. Okay, I am want to use GP2, but GP2 have 30 GB free. Okay, GP3 are some costlier. If you use use beyond its safe limit, then it send you bill. Okay, so I do same type of mistake earlier. So I take a step. I try to take safe step. Okay, so I'm not create any security group here. Okay, so I'm only show you basically the code. Okay, in background. So this is a basically a very good question if you are attending any. Okay, see this. If you click on it, okay, open, not open, not here, console to code. Okay, so this is basically show the background code of manually launch test instance. Okay, okay. Start recording, generate code in three simple steps. Start recording, select action and copy CLA command, generate export. Okay. This is our three simple step. Okay. Start recording. Okay. Uh, mm, only action in tab are recorded. Okay. So here after some time, what happened? I think console reference. Okay. Not. I think stop. I'm going to, I think I saw another type this thing. Okay. Mhm. One second. I think I'm going basically one second. For the lecture and so see this face some issue. So then see all the code are appear. Okay. Describe instance formation this. You can easily copy and paste this. Okay, instance formation. Okay, networking address. Describe root volume task. Okay, all these basically code shown your existing. Select from here. Okay, existing instance. So in various formats, see the format like CDK फॉर्मेट में जावा पाइथन टाइपस्क्रिप्ट में भी हो सकता है क्लाउड फॉर्मेशन में जेसन में भी कर सकते हैं आप और YML में भी कर सकते हैं दिस इज बेसिकली हेल्पफुल कमांड सो आई रिसेंटली नो I think a few hours ago okay I know about this so if you know I think but I am not know about this feature of basically feature of AWS but my purpose is to show you to uh, to use basically the background code manually written in the cloud formation. Okay, that is ISU of AWS. You also convert this code into the Terraform and etc. Okay, but when I face this issue, then I take the help of Amazon key. Then it guide me simply in a step. So you can also use the Amazon key if you face any issue regarding working in AWS. So see this. When I uh, face issue, then I simply type how to work console to code. Okay. So then you give me a step, access Amazon queue, select your resource, initiate console to code, choose IC format, Terraform, AWS CDK, cloud formation. Okay. Review generated code, customize the code, save and deploy and test the code. Okay. This is simple method. This is very, very one of the I think the most of AWS. Okay. Okay. So I'm going to in this chapter, in next chapter, I proceed in this lecture. Okay. Thank you.